Welcome friends, myself singer Pooja Madhukar. Today's my seminar topic is concept of light. In this topic we are studying the definition of light, properties of light, nature of light, reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, polarization and color. So first of all, definition of light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see things. Light travel in straight line. Light travel very fast around 3 lakh km per second. Light is a kind of energy called electromagnetic radiation. The electromagnetic radiation that we can see is called visible light. At this speed, it can around the world 8 times in 1 second. Visible light is defined as the wavelengths that are visible to most human eyes. Visible light is a form of electromagnetic radiation. So visible light contains radio wave, microwave, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet radiation, X-ray, gamma rays. Light travel much faster than sound. For example, thunder and lightning start at the same time, but we will see the lightning first. We see things because they reflect light into our eyes. Shadow are place where light is blocked. So next point is nature of light. Sir Isaac Newton believed that light behaves like a particle. So particle theory states that light consists of a stream of particles emitted by a light source. Christian Huygens believed that light behaves like a wave. So wave theory states that light is a wave that originates from a vibrating body. Thomas Young showed that light behaves like a wave. Max Planck came up with what is known as dual nature of light. James Clerk Maxwell proposed the electromagnetic theory of light. So electromagnetic theory, James Clerk Maxwell showed that electric and magnetic field were propagated together and that their speed was identical with the speed of light. Some important properties of light. First is light travel in straight line. Second, light travel much faster than sound. Third, we see things because they reflect light into our eyes. 4. Shadow are formed when light is blocked by an object. 5. Reflection of light. 6. Refraction of light. 7. Diffraction of light. 8. Polarization of light. And 9. Scattering of light. Reflection of light. Angle of incident light is equal to angle of reflection. Example is reflection from a mirror. The two types of reflection. First is clear reflection and second is diffuse reflection. In clear reflection, a smooth and shiny surface have clear reflection. Diffuse reflection, rough, dull surface have a diffuse reflection. Diffuse reflection is when light is scattered different direction. Next point is refraction. The change in direction of a wave when it passes from one medium to other or another is known as refraction. Refraction is a bending of light. The example of refraction is rainbow. The light ray bend as they enter water drop in the atmosphere forming a rainbow. This is the another example of refraction of light. Next point is interference of light. When two light waves from a different coherent source meet together, then the distribution of energy due to one wave is distributed by the other. This modification in the distribution of light energy due to superposition of two light waves is called interference of light. The two types of interference, first is proactive interference and second retroactive interference. Example of interference, first is demonstrated by a light or reflected from a film of oil floating on water. Second is The thin film of soap bubble which reflect a spectrum of beautiful color when illuminated by natural or artificial light source. This is the example of interference of light. Next point is diffraction of light. Diffraction occurs when a light wave passes by a corner or through an opening or slit that is physically the appropriate size of or even smaller than that light wavelength. Next point is polarization. The process of transforming unpolarized light into polarized light is known as polarization. There are three types of polarization depending on the transfer and longitudinal wave motion. First is linear polarization, second is circular polarization, and third is elliptical polarization. In linear polarization, or it is also called plane polarization, the electric field of light is confined to a single plane along the direction of propagation. Second is circular polarization. The electric field of light consists of two linear components that are perpendicular to each other, equal in amplitude but have a phase difference. And third is elliptical polarization. Is the polarization of electromagnetic radiation such that the tip of the electric field vector describes an in any fixed plane. Color of light. White light is actually made of all the color of the rainbow because it contains all wavelengths. White light contains red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet colors. So thank you.